In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira ticket, offering a step-by-step guide to streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing tasks for a small team or coordinating a large project, closing Jira tickets efficiently can help keep everything organized. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. Once you've accessed your project, the most efficient way to manage your tasks is by heading over to the board view. This is where you can get a visual breakdown of all your issues, making it easier to track what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what's completed. In the board view, Jira offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You'll see various columns representing different stages of your workflow. To close an issue ticket, simply locate the card that corresponds to the issue you want to close. Then, drag this card from its current column and drop it into the Done or Closed section. Keep in mind that the exact names of these columns can vary depending on how you've customized your board to fit your team's process. If you've set up a specific column for tasks that are completed, you'll use that. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using the list view, especially for a detailed look or when handling multiple tickets simultaneously, you can change the status directly from there as well. Once in the list view, you'll notice a status column accompanying each ticket. Click on this column for the issue you wish to close. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you status options. From here, select either Done or Close, depending on your workflow needs. And that's all there is to it. Closing tickets in Jira is designed to be simple yet effective, allowing you and your team to focus on what matters most, keeping projects moving forward. By consistently managing your completed tasks in this way, you ensure your project board remains tidy and accurately reflects the state of your project. Remember, the way you set up your board can significantly impact how smoothly you can manage and close tickets, so don't hesitate to customize it to best suit your workflow. Ensuring your board is set up to reflect your team's unique process can make a huge difference in efficiency and clarity. Thank you for watching this guide on how to close Jira tickets. We hope it makes your project management experience more streamlined and productive. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your colleagues or anyone else navigating the Jira landscape. Until next time, happy project managing.